Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment Ask Me and I'll try to answer. The information of this video are from Google search. Our topic today is how to change your bank account in AdSense account. Here are the steps on how to change your bank account in AdSense account. Number 1, sign in to your AdSense account. Number 2, select payments. Number 3, in how you get paid, click on manage payment method. Number 4, click add payment method. Number 5, in the add payment method section, enter your bank account information. Number 6, if you want this to be primary form of payment, select the set as primary payment method tick box. Number 7, click save. Number 8, verify by logging into your bank account and click verify. Number 9, you can delete your existing account if you want by clicking remove. So these are the steps on how to change your bank account in AdSense account. This question is from Rakiterang Nanay. Rakiterang Nanay, thank you so much for your question. I hope the instruction is clear enough for you. And this is her question. This are the reference of this topic. So that's it. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.